that grace is freely given. Freely given. Hindi free iPhone. If you click the link below, online gambling. Oh, iba po yun, ha? There was this one time, my dad and I, we went out of the house. Right in front of us, dun sa kalye, dun sa street, sa harap ng bahay namin, there were chalk drawings on the floor. Mga kung ano-ano, iba dun yung pang hopscotch, di ba? Yung iba dun pang, yung mga drawing lang ng mga bata, yung mga star, may rainbow, may aso, ganyan. And dun sa bintana namin, meron kasing space dun. May nakapatong dun na isang plastic ng chalk, na kung ano-anong kulay ng chalk, iba-ibang klaseng chalk, ganyan. Some people, if they see that, they would say this, ano ba naman to mga bata na to? Ang kalat naman sa harap ng bahay namin, talagang dito pa. Pag nakaputi akong sapatos, dinadumihan to. Tapos ano ba yan? Iniwan pa talaga. Iniwan pa talaga dito yung plastic ng chalk nila. Hindi lang man kinuha. Ano ba yan? Some people, not all, some people might react that way. But to my surprise, the first thing my father said when we got out of the house, may naglaro siguro mga bata dito. Oh? Ay nako, naiwan nila yung plastic ng chalk nila. Kahanapin nila yan. Siguro bukas, babalikan na naman nila siguro yan, no? Okay na yan. Maganda na yan. Naglalaro sila sa labas. Kesa yung puro iPad lang. Grace. That is grace. Friends, the Father in heaven sees you the same way. Messy as you are, no matter how many pimples or stretch marks you have, imperfect as you are, sinful as you are, God sees you and He says, my beautiful child. With a smile on His face, my beautiful daughter, my handsome son. Tingnan mo yung katabi mo, handsome son. Parang, sure ka? In God's eyes, kahit di ka maniwala na gwapo yung katabi mo, in God's eyes, whenever He sees you messy, sinful as you are, He says, that's my beautiful child. Grace.